It's no secret that garlic is very powerful. There is very good science backing all of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps prevent diseases like cancer, delays aging, helps fight different microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi, and doesn't stop there. It is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. One of the best foods you can eat every day. But he has a secret. You have to know how to activate its healing power. Also, there are many types of garlic such as white, black, red, and purple. Do you know which is the best? Do you know if you should eat it on an empty stomach or if it's better to eat it raw? Is it true that if we cook it, it loses its medicinal properties? What is the recommended area dose? What are its side effects? Is there any risk, and what care do we have to take? Well, first I'll tell you that anyway. The consumption of garlic is very good for your health, but if you want to maximize its medicinal properties, it's better to eat it raw. And here's a secret: it's not enough to just swallow a clove of raw garlic, but you must crush or chop it and wait 2 or 3 minutes before swallowing. For garlic to fully perform its function, it must form a substance called allicin, which is stored inside some compartments that garlic like a honeycomb. And to be released and activated, it is necessary that all its components inside them are mixed, and for that we must break it, crush it, or cut it, and wait for the different substances to take effect. That's why you have to wait 2 or 3 minutes before swallowing. Since this substance is one of the most responsible for all its benefits. If you find it too strong to swallow raw garlic, you can take it like a pill with a glass of water. Just put it in your mouth and drink the glass of water afterwards. Another recommendation is to consume garlic on an empty stomach, as according to some specialists it is better absorbed that way and with the recommended dose. Well, a clove of garlic ranges from 3 to 5 grams approximately. So the recommended dose is 1 clove of garlic a day. In case you don't like eating it raw, there are many other options that I'll tell you about right away. But pay attention to the following. When you consume a clove of garlic a day, you are consuming food that is a source of vitamins, vitamin A, B complex, vitamin C, minerals like potassium, sodium, manganese, magnesium, selenium, zinc, calcium, and iron, and it doesn't stop there. You are also consuming antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances that together will help fight and prevent many diseases. Consuming garlic daily helps prevent heart disease, including heart attacks and high blood pressure. Studies show that some of its components help to dilate the arteries, prevent vasoconstriction, that is, that our arteries decrease in size and increase the pressure in our body. One of its substances helps our blood vessels release a chemical nitric oxide which is responsible for expanding, dilating our arteries and lowering blood pressure. Study has shown that consuming a clove of garlic a day is almost equivalent to the effect of some high blood pressure medicines. Secondly, garlic boosts immunity. This is not a myth as many believe. This is real. Consuming a clove of garlic a day helps prevent viral illnesses like colds and flu. And all of this is due to its anti-inflammatory substances that modulate the immune response. Another study showed that consuming garlic daily for a few weeks reduced inflammation, pain, and fatigue in women with arthritis. A clove of garlic a day also helps prevent thrombosis. Garlic also helps prevent cancer. Consuming a clove of garlic daily helps our DNA repair itself more effectively and also prevents it from being subjected to so much damage throughout our lives. I also want to talk to you about garlic's incredible power to prevent and treat infections. It also helps fight parasites and fungi such as candidiasis, for example. And other benefits, such as helping to lower cholesterol, improving the detoxifying function of our liver, among many other things. But what to do if I don't like to consume garlic raw or on an empty stomach? Well, some studies show that cooking it in the oven with little oil so that it doesn't stick for just 3 minutes and not heating it to more than 60 degrees Celsius helps to preserve the vast majority of its properties. In this case, the garlic must also be minced to form and activate the allicin, and it is also recommended to add raw or cooked garlic to food minutes before consumption to avoid losing its properties. Another excellent option is to consume garlic tea every day. You take a garlic clove, crush it and put it for 2 or 3 minutes in 200 ml of hot water, lemon drops, and also with a little honey. And what is the best garlic to consume? Regardless of the type of garlic, everyone has incredible health benefits, but recently a study came out that showed that black garlic can have 2 to 3 times more concentration of antioxidants than others. But pay attention. As much as garlic is a very cheap and natural extraordinary substance, its consumption has some risks and some precautions must be taken. Some people may feel dizzy after eating garlic, especially raw and on an empty stomach. But this can be avoided by drinking it with a glass of water or mixing it with food immediately before serving, and it is worth remembering that the consumption of garlic is contraindicated for people who consume some type of anticoagulant medication, as garlic can interfere with the action of this medicine. If you are going to have surgery, it is recommended that you stop consuming garlic for at least a week beforehand. To avoid bad breath, some experts recommend chewing it along with some parsley leaf or simply brushing your teeth and using mouthwash more often. Well, my loves, I hope you enjoyed the video. Share this information with your family and friends so that we can continue to grow. A big kiss.